Hello, pre-algebra students. I am going to attempt to give you today's lesson. You only have one for this week. I'm going to, however, try to go back and make videos on the other three. I think you guys had three lessons that I've assigned you guys the last couple of weeks. Hopefully I will have that to you by Friday. My dog has been super needy and my children have also been super needy. So hopefully I can get a little bit of quiet time. Actually, when I was recording my mouth one, my daughter came in here like 3 or 4 times. So if she shows up behind me, just ignore her and keep watching me. So let's go ahead and look at how to complete your work for this week, which is properties of similar polygons. We're going to look at the different properties and what they are, and your job this week is to determine what kind of polygons you're looking at. Are they similar? Are they what? So how can you determine congruence and similarity? That is our essential question that we're trying to answer. All right. So this is the same PowerPoint I would be showing you at school. Today you're going to learn how to write similarity statements for similar triangles, and you're going to learn how to use indirect measurement to find missing measures on a right triangle. All right. I'm going to try to get through this with you guys. We're not worried about Common Core. Your vocabulary, you have indirect measurement. So indirect angle similarity. If two angles of one triangle are congruent, two angles of another triangle, two angles of another triangle, good thing this is written down in front of you, then the triangles are similar. So if angle A is similar to angle F and angle B is similar to angle G, then angle ABC is similar to then triangle ABC is similar to triangle FGH. I am just tripping all over my words today. Anytime you need to pause the slide to take notes or to kind of focus on it and try to get it a little bit more in your brain, however you're doing that these days, then go ahead and pause it as you need to. You can also rewind. It's a good thing about a video. If you didn't understand what I said or you need me to repeat it, then just rewind the video. All right, so we're going to determine whether the triangles are similar. If so, we're going to write a similarity statement. All right, so here are your triangles that you're comparing. Angle A and angle E have the same measure. They're both 62 degrees. So they are congruent. Since 180 minus 62 minus 48 equals 70, because we remember I proved to you, I broke the corners off of the triangle. I think I did that for you guys to show that it makes a straight line. So all triangles equal 180 degrees. So you can subtract the two angles from 180 degrees to find the missing angle. So since 180 minus 62 minus 48 is equal to 70, and here you've got 62 and 70, then this has to be 48 and this has to be 70. Angle G measures 70. Two angles of triangle EFG are congruent to two angles of triangle ABC. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle EFG. Again, feel free to pause it as you need to. A fire hydrant of 2 5/10 feet high casts a 5-foot tall shadow. How tall is a street light that casts a 26-foot shadow at the same time? Let H represent the height of the street light. All right, so we have H here. Here's your shadow, 26 feet. Here, you know this hydrant's 2.5, and its shadow is 5 feet. So they're saying that these two are similar. So you've got your shadow, you've got your height. Here's your hydrant. Hydrant's in blue, hydrant's on top. So your hydrant is 5 equals 2 5/10 feet equals a 5-foot shadow. So your street light has a 26-foot shadow, and we're looking for how tall it is. So you're going to find the cross products. That's the butterfly thing. You guys remember the butterfly? Here's your butterfly. 26 times 2 5/10 equals 5h, or you can say 5h equals 26 times 2 5/10. Either way, it works. You find the cross products. 5h equals 65. You divide both sides by 65 to get that h all by its lonesome, and your h is equal to 13. All of this is feet, so it's 13 feet. The street light is 13 feet tall. All right. Again, feel free to pause if you need to. It's a lot of information. In the figure at the right, triangle DBA is similar. So you have DBA is similar to triangle ECA. Raymond wants to know the distance across this lake right here. All right. So you know the distance here, segment BD, is 40 meters. Okay. You know that this part right here is 320. Well, total, this is 162. And this is 320. You need to add these together to get this whole line right here for AC. All right. So you have AB over AC equals BD over CE. So AB over AC, this is where adding these together comes in. So you have 320 over the total of those two together equals BD, that's 40, over CE. We don't know CE yet. That's D. All right, we're calling it D. So here you go. 320 over 482 is equal to 40 over D. This is where you're going to butterfly. Find your cross products. 320D is equal to 482 times 40. Divide by 320. D equals 60 25/100. So the distance across the lake is 60 25/100 meters. It's a lot to take in. If you need a pause, pause. Do what you got to do. So think about this. How did what you learned today help you answer the essential question of how can you determine congruence and similarity? Your assignment is in your book. If you went and got your book, it's page 549. If not, I'm uploading a PDF of it, and you can just write your answers down or print it out, or however you're doing that these days. If you guys have any questions, I will be online to talk to you guys at 2 o'clock tomorrow. Just let me know. Just get on if you need me. If not, that's not a big deal. I will only be online for about 30 minutes unless I'm helping somebody. Clearly, if I'm helping you, I will stay on as long as we need to. All right. You guys have a great week. Good luck on your homework. Let me know if you have any questions, and let me know if there's anything that I can do differently as I'm recording these lessons for you to help you out. Other than that, I'm going to try to get the other 3 lessons uploaded at some point this week, hopefully by Friday. All right. You guys have a great week, and I will talk to you soon.